Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide description and all the UI that shows on the YouTube Shorts uh, here on the YouTube web app or mobile app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically one way to do it is by just going first to your shorts that you want to hide. And basically as you can see, there is this description that shows and all these icons that are shown here on the video. And one way to do it is by just changing this layout to be like regular YouTube layout. And all we need to do is simply click on share so we can get our link. And by getting the link, we will be needing just to change it a little bit or modifying it so we can be able to change the slides from the YouTube Shorts to YouTube Regulars videos. And to do so, we can simply go to a web browser. In my case, I'll just use the Chrome browser, and from here, I'm just going to paste this uh, URL that we have just copied. And basically, the trick parts of all we need to do is to change this shorts part and making it as watch. So you need just to type watch, and now you will be able to go to this link, and then it will take us to the same YouTube Shorts. So as you can see, but on with the layout uh, of a normal video. As you can see, when I go to full screen, I have the description that is hidden. I have all this icon that go out, and it's the same shorts that we have here. So that's just one way to do it. And basically, those were the steps on how to hide your description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.